In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your Binance account to your bank account. This process will guide you through accessing your Fiat wallet, initiating the withdrawal, and confirming the transaction in your bank account. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the wallet option in the top navigation menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Fiat Wallet. This section will display your available fiat balance, which is essential for the withdrawal process. If you currently hold cryptocurrency in your account, you must convert it to fiat currency before proceeding. Look for an option to convert or sell your crypto assets within the fiat wallet. Ensure that your bank withdrawal option is enabled and take a moment to review any daily withdrawal limits that may apply. This preparation is crucial to ensure that your funds are ready for withdrawal. Next, within the fiat wallet interface, find and click on the withdraw option. You will be prompted to select your preferred bank transfer method. Based on your location, Binance may offer different withdrawal options, such as bank transfer, which may vary in processing time and fees. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and review the associated fees and estimated processing time carefully before. After confirming that all details are correct, including your bank information, proceed to confirm the withdrawal securely. Binance may require additional verification steps for security purposes. Once you confirm, you will see a message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. At this point, it is important to note that the processing time can vary depending on your bank and the method chosen. During the next few hours or days, monitor the status of your withdrawal within your Binance account. Once the processing is complete, check your bank account to confirm the funds have been credited. It is advisable to save the transaction receipt provided by Binance for your records. If you encounter any issues, contact Binance support for assistance and refrain from making repeated withdrawal attempts, as this may complicate the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.